IGN News is brought to you by Telltale's The Walking Dead Season 2, available to download now.
I'm David Hatfield and this is IGN News. More bad news for Nintendo today. In the wake of its announcement that it would cut sales projections for both Wii U and 3DS, the company's stock price has taken a major hit. As of this recording, the company's share price sits at $14.89 on the New York Stock Exchange, a drop of 17% from the $17.96 it started the day at. Things look even worse when comparing the current price with where it was less than a week ago, when it topped $19, the highest it had been since the first half of 2012, just after China lifted its ban on game consoles. The stock still has a ways to go before reaching the lowest it's been in recent memory, though. It dropped to $11.39 early last year, its lowest price since 2003, or the GameCube era. Today, Nintendo announced that both Wii U and 3DS had failed to reach sales projections, forcing the company to revise its forecast for the fiscal year ending March 31st, 2014. The adjustments were significant. The 3DS projection of 18 million console sales was dropped to 13.5 for the year, while Wii U was brought down from 9 million to 2.8 million. As a result, the company is now expecting a net loss for the current fiscal year rather than a net profit. Nintendo President and CEO Satoru Iwata has already apologized to investors. Iwata noted he will not be resigning, nor will he be making any major management changes in the near future. For more, stay tuned IGN.